Okay, now let's go for the next exercise in our pegging technique. And this exercise is at least 10 times powerful than the previous exercise. And the exercise is convert phonetics to numerics. Well, this exercise is a reverse of the previous exercise. In the previous exercise, you have converted like numerics to phonetics, right? I gave the numbers and then you try to convert them into phonetics, right? Now here in this chapter, what you're going to do is you have to convert the phonetics to numerics. Now let me show the rules how to do it, okay? It's not that I, write the phonetics and you convert them into numbers, not like that. So I write C, H, S, H, J, G, soft and you write 6 for that, not like that. The exercise is something very simple. Now take a look at one example, okay? Let's take a word, something like staple. See the word staple, okay? Now from this word staple, you got to omit the vowels and the invalid letters. You just remember that? Just now I taught you that? The invalid letters, yeah, that's right. So that one you have to omit from the staple, okay? S-T-A-P-L-E, okay? From staple, you can omit A and E, see? A and E are vowels, okay? So just omit these vowels. Now for the rest of the letters, okay, you got to write their numeric value. So what you got to do is, so S, what is the phonetic constant? I mean, the numeric value for S, what I mean is, okay? The numeric value for S, only S, it is 0, okay? Then T is 1. Then, okay, A is the vowel in this, you omitted that, okay? Then P, what is the numeric value for P? It is 9. So you have to recall from your memory only. It's not again, take that list and then check it out from that. Let's try to recall it from your memory only. Okay? And finally, L. Okay? Anyways, E is a vowel, so you omitted that. So L, what is the numeric value for L? It is 5. Okay? So staple, when you convert it into numeric value, it is 0195. Okay? Similarly, let's take one more word, something like leader. Okay? L-E-A-D-E-R. Okay? From this word, you got to omit the vowels and the invalid letters. Okay? So, L-E-A-D-R, right? E and A are vowels, so omit them. Okay? Again, E is a vowel, omit it. Now, for the rest of the phonetics, the letters, okay? You got to write its numeric value. Okay? So, L, it is 5. Okay? D, it is 1. And R, it is 4. So leader, it's simply, okay, 5, 1, 4. As simple as that. Isn't it very easy? Okay. Now, let's take one more example. Okay. Now, before I give one more example, I'll give you a small word, okay? Now, come on, in your book, write the word, okay? Take the word as something like apples. A-P-P-L-E-S. Come on, okay? Now, take the word apples. Now, can you convert this apples into numeric form? Come on. Okay, come on, just convert it, come on. And check the answer what you got, okay? A-P-P-L-E-S, apples, okay? So you have to omit A and E, okay? So for the remaining letters, you have to write its numeric value, okay? So, what's the answer you got? Did you get 9950? And the answer is incorrect. It's not 9950, it should be 950. Let me tell you why. Why should it be 950? Why not 9950? See, when you pronounce the word apples, are you pronouncing it like apples? Since there are two P's in the word apples, are you pronouncing it like apples or apples? It's apples, right? So, see, we only have to look at the phonetics there, not the letterics. That's why they are called phonetics, not letterics, okay? So, based on the phonetic value, only how many times you have actually pronounced that sound, only that many times you have to write the number, okay? So, apple should be 950, not 9950, okay? So, that's the answer for apples, okay? So, similarly, we'll take one more word like that, and the word is matter, okay? M-A-T-T-E-R, matter. So, from this word, omit the vowels and invalid letters, okay? So, from matter, you can omit A and E, okay? Now, for the rest of the letters, first write its numeric value, okay? So, M, you get 3. Now, mind you, it's not matter, it is matter, right? So only one term we use, okay? So you should get only one there, okay? Not double one. It's only 1, 3, 1, and R it's 4. So matter is 3, 1, 4. Okay. Similarly, we'll take one more word, example of one more word, and that is dipper. D-I-P-P-E-R, dipper, okay? Now from this word, omit the vowels and invalid letters, okay? Now, I and D are vowels in this, okay? So just omit them. Now, for the rest of the phonetics, write its numeric value, okay? So D, it is 1, right? Double P, it's giving only one sound, right? It's not dipper, right? It's dipper. So double P is giving one sound, so write 1 9 there, okay? So 1 9, and R, it is 4. So 194, dipper, when you convert it into numeric form, you get 194. Okay, let's take one more word, and the word is chant. C-H-A-N-T, chant, okay? Now from this word chant, you got to omit the vowels and invalid letters, okay? So you got C-H-A-N-T, right? So there's only, now mind you, okay, there's one H there, okay? Don't omit H. It is C-H, mind you. Had been only H, you can omit it. But CH has the numeric value, right? So don't omit H there, okay? So CH and A is a vowel, omit it. And then T, they're anyways having some numeric value. So chant, when you decode, CH 6, N is 2, and T is 1. Okay, and that's it, 6 to 1. When you decode like chant into number, you get 6 to 1. So this is the way how you can convert the, like, given words into numeric values, okay? Okay, now, if you actually understood the rules of this particular exercise, then here are some exercise for you. Okay, I've given you some words here. You can have a look at the words. It is tomato, computer, sharpener, envelope, microbe, fruits, notable, promote, sports, feline, great, gentle, cylinder, cycle, Ganges. So these are the 15 words. Now at this point of the video, I want you to pause it. Okay? Accomplish writing the answers for all these words. Okay? Now, after you finish of writing the answers for this, you can play the video. I'm going to give you the answers for this particular, words. Okay? So be honest to yourself. Okay? Just pause the video, accomplish the problems. Okay? And get back to me. Okay? Now, if you actually written the answers for these words, okay, check it out from my answers. Okay? Now, the first word was tomato. The answer is 131. Okay? The second one is computer. Okay? Computer. K, 7, M, 3, P, 9, T, 1, R4. See? Basal sounds, you have to just give out the numbers. Okay? The third one is sharpen. See? Sharapena. Sha, 6, R, 4, P, 9, N, 2. Okay? Sharpen. 6492. Okay? Yes. Next word is like envelope. Okay? Envelope. Okay? E is a vowel. Okay? A, N, 2, V, 8, L, 5, P, 9. Okay? That's the answer for envelope. Okay? Next word is like microbe. Okay? Microbe. See the sounds there. Okay? M, 3, K, 7. See, C. Be careful with C. See what sound it's giving. Hard or soft. C hard is like K. C soft is like S. Okay? Like K, like K, right? M, 3, K, 7, R, 4, B, 9. That's the answer for microbe. Okay. And next one is like fruits. Okay. F, R, T, S, see? Fr, R, T, S. Okay. 8, 4, 1, 0. Okay. That's the answer for fruits. Okay. Next word is something like notable. Okay. N, 2. Okay. T, 1. B, 9. L, 5. That's notable. Okay. Next one is promote. Okay. So P is 9, R is 4, M is 3, T is 1. Okay. 9, 4, 3, 1. That's the answer for promote. Okay. Next is sports. Okay. So S, P and O is over there. Okay. So 0, 9, 4, 1, 0. That's the answer for sports. Okay. Next feline. Okay. F, 852. That's the answer for feline. Okay, 852. Next is great. Now mind you, G again, be careful with G. It also has hard and soft sound, right? So GRT, okay? 741. That's the answer for great. Okay? Next, gentle. See now this again. This G is like J, soft G. See? Previously it was G, now it's J. Gentle. Okay? 6215. That's the answer for gentle. Okay? Next one is cylinder. Okay? Now C again there. Sound the letter C. It's giving soft sound here. See? It's not like K. See, it sounds like sir. So cylinder is 05214. That's the answer for cylinder. And next is cycle. Now, to make it more clear, I gave this word cycle. In this word cycle, the first C is soft C, the second C is hard C. One C is like sir, one C is like K. So answer is 075. That's the answer for cycle. Okay, 075. Finally, it's Ganges. See, again, I've actually given this word to show you the difference in hard and soft G's. Okay. Now the first G is like hard G, G. Okay. So 7260. That's the answer for Ganges. Now if you got all correct, very good and fine. So you're actually going according to the, the knowledge what we are carrying ahead. Okay. So I suggest you can work on more and more such words. Minimum you have to work on 100 words. Pull out a newspaper, dictionary or something, okay. Collect some words, okay. And then convert them into some numeric, then based on their phonetic values, okay. So convert them into the numerics, okay. Minimum you have to work on 100 such words. We only did 15, right? So you have to work on minimum 100 such words. Then only you can become perfect in this particular exercise. Okay. Now we'll go for the next higher exercise in the same exercise. Okay. Now, I told you that English you have to be very careful because it has some rules, right? So take a look at this example of a word, something like, see, K-N-I-F-E. How do you pronounce it? Is it knife or knife? It is knife. But how about the K there? The K is called the silent letter in a word, right? You all know about it, right? So when it actually comes to words like this, you must omit the silent letters. So in knife, omit K because K is not pronounced there. That's why they're called phonetics, not letterics, okay? So omit the K there because K is not pronounced there, right? And for the remaining letters, okay, write its numeric value. So knife, the value would be 28. You can omit the remaining, vowels, okay, and invalid letters. And you must also omit the silent letters in a word. That's the rule, okay? Now, let's take an example of one more such word. Now, tell me what sound does P give out? P gives sound like per. So what should be the numeric value for that? It should be 9, right? Now, take a look at the next thing. Now look at this, PH. Now, what sound does PH give out? It is not pa. It gives something like per. I explained it, dental fricative. It becomes something like F. Okay. So whenever you get a word something like this, okay, you must not see P there and write 9 there. Based on the phonetic, what sound that is giving out, you must write its numeric value. Okay, we'll take an example of word something like Philip. Now, in this Philip, okay, you got to omit the vowels and invalid letters. Okay, now PH is sounding like fur, like F. So don't see P and don't write 9 there. It will become 8 because for the very simple reason, it has changed this phone. It has changed this sound, right? So PH will be 8. L is 5 and P is 9. It's Philip, right? Last is point like per. Philip, okay? So 859 is the answer for Philip, okay? Let's take one more example of a word. Something like known, K-N-O-W-N. Here, K is silent, okay? So omit that. W is an invalid letter, right? So omit that. O is a vowel, okay? So that's it. Now only for the rest of the things, letters there. It's N and N. Okay, write the numeric value. And the answer is 22. See, no, na. K is silent there. Known. See, so 22 is the answer for known. Okay, let's take one more example. Something like Sango. T-S-A-N-G-O. See, here T is silent, right? So you got to omit the T there. And for the rest of the letters, you must write its numeric value. And for Sango, the answer would be 0 to 7. Is it not? I think you're able to follow it. Okay, let's take one more example of a word, something like photo. Okay, so P-H-O-T-O, photo. Okay, now again something like P-H, it's sounding like fur. Okay, and O and O vowels, so omit them. So photo, the answer would be 81. See, fur, ter, only two sounds. See, so photo should be 81. So in this exercise, you may get a letter something like T, and maybe that changes the phone. See, you know the T gives sound like ter, but assume the T is giving a sound like L. Assume that, just assume that T is giving sound like L. You must not write 1, write 5 there. That's the rule. You get a word something like P, and you get a sound like Ma. You will not get that, but still assume that you get a sound like that. For P, you get 9, right? But don't write 9 because the sound has changed to like Ma, write 3. Got it? So that's the rule. Don't see the letter and get bewildered by that particular letter. Okay, look at the sound, what is giving out. Only based on the sound, you must write its numeric value, not based on the letter value. This is the higher exercise. Okay, so I think you're all now clear with the rules. Okay, so only based on the sound, write the numeric. Now, I'm going to give you some set of words like that, Now, mind you, every single word in this exercise, which I'm going to give you right now, has a trap. You have to be very careful. Okay, and then you got to write its numeric value based on the phones only, the sounds only, not based on the letters. You may get some silent letters. You may get T and you may get a sound like sh. You may get D and you may get a sound like j. You may get L and you may get a sound like p. There'll be all some funny words like that. Okay. Okay. Now you all thought English was easy, right? Good. Now I'm going to give you some words. Okay, which have some silent letters and which change the basic phonetic, sounds. Okay. So according to the phonetic values only based on the sound, you got to write the answer. Here are the words. I'll try to pronounce it for you. Okay. It's island. It's not Island, right? Okay. It's island. Okay. Island. Pneumonia. See, P is silent there. Be careful. Okay. Pneumonia. Knowledge. Okay. Knowledge. Okay. Some people say knowledge. Anyways. Okay. Knowledge or knowledge. Okay. Either ways. Okay. Next word is soldier. Look at the pronunciation. Soldier. Okay. Next, physics. Okay. Listen to my pronunciations very carefully. Next is chemistry. Okay. Next we have sugar. Next we have psychology. Careful. Psychology. Next we have station. Station. Next we have future. Future. Okay. Next, special. The next word is century. The next word is Christian. The next word is actual. Next, it is success. Okay. So after success, the next word is tsunami. The next word is schedule. Now, mind you, there are two things how we pronounce it: schedule or schedule. Your choice. Formerly they used to call it schedule. Now they're calling it schedule. So according to your pronunciation. Okay. Either of them I can give it correct. Okay. So I'll be giving in the answers, okay? The answers for these words, okay? So schedule or schedule. Next is situation. Now, mind you, again, formerly they used to call it situation. Now they're also calling it situation. Now that's it. So things change over a period of time. So both the things I can give correct, okay? Situation or situation. Both, you can think and then write, okay? Next it is mnemonics. See, our own mnemonics. It has a silent letter, okay? So mnemonics, and the last word is congratulations. Okay, now use your mind power. So this exercise is at least 10 times powerful than all the previous exercises what I had taught you. Okay, if you can get all the answers correct in this particular exercise, you're bound to become a super genius, mind you. So be cautious. Okay. Look at the sounds and write the numeric value for this phonetics. Okay. At this point of video, please pause it. Don't go any further. Okay. Just pause the video. Finish off this exercise. Accomplish writing the answers. Only after you have accomplished writing the answers, play the video back I'm going to tell you the answers for all these words. Okay, now if you have accomplished writing the answers for these words, here are the answers. Okay, the first word is island. Island. Mind you, S is silent there, is it not? So I is anyways a vowel, S is silent, the remaining thing is land. So answer should be 521. That's the answer for island. Okay. Next it is pneumonia. Okay. Now here in pneumonia, P is silent. Okay. And for the rest of the words, the answer is 232. That is pneumonia. Okay. The next word it is okay. Two things are knowledge and knowledge. Okay. Both the things I can give. Okay. If you take knowledge, it is 256. If you take knowledge, 2516. So you decide. Okay. Whichever one you got it correct, that's correct. Okay. This should be the answers. One of these, either this or that. Okay. That is for knowledge. Okay. The next word, soldier. Now mind you, D is sounding like J, like J. Okay. So soldier should be 0564. That's the answer for soldier. See, maybe you got 0514, right? Maybe some people. So it's not 1 because the basic phone of D has changed to J, like Jer. See? It's not soldier, it's soldier. Got it? Okay. The next word is physics. Now mind again, I give the example in the Philip photo, okay? Same thing. The physics, 8070. PH is sounding like fur. Okay? Next it is chemistry. It's not chemistry, mind you. CH is sounding like cur there. See? Again, CH also sounds like cur. We all thought all this, exercise, we thought CH is ch, right? CH also sounds like ch and also cur. Okay. So chemistry. So CH is sounding like cur. So it should be chemistry. 70. K me. Sir. 73014. Okay. That's the answer for chemistry. 73014. Okay. The next word, it is sugar. Okay. Now, mind you, it is sure, not sugar. Right? Sugar, like SH. See? So, sure, 6, G 7, R 4. 674. That is the answer for sugar. Okay. The next word is psychology. Now, in this particular psychology, P is silent. That's it. And the rest of the things, you can write its value based on the letters only. So psychology. Psycha 0756. That is psychology. Okay. The next word is station, not staton. It's a 0112. It's wrong. 0162. That's the answer. You got T sounding like sure. See, we all thought all this exercise that T sounds like ter, but T sounds also like sure. Also see, like in station. See. 0162, that's the answer for station. Next it is future. Future. Now look at the magic of T there. In the previous word, it sounded like sure. Now it is sounding like ch also. See? Future. 864, that's the answer. See? English has its own rules. Got to understand them. Okay. So future is 864. Okay. Next word is special, not special. See? Sha. Okay. 0965. That's the answer for special. 0965. Because CI, it is sounding like sure. Okay. Right. The next word is century. See again T sounding like ch there. Okay. So 0264. That's the answer for century. Okay. The next word is Christian, not Christian. See CH there, it's again sounding like k. Okay. So the answer should be 74012. Christian, right? Christian. Okay. So see all the sounds there. So 74012 is the answer for Christian. Okay. Next word is actual. See, actual. Is silent. Okay. K and ch are actually coming at the same time. Okay. The answer is 765. See. So T is again sounding like ch here. See. Actual. Okay. Next word is success. And the answer is 0700. Now I told you in the previous exercise that whenever you get two letters side by side, and if they give same sound, you must consider as only one letter, like in apples, like in common, okay, like in dipper. See, double P gave only one sound, right? But look at the rules of English here. Up to in this word success, up to SUC, it is sounding like sucks, suck, okay? SUC is suck, and CSS is sus. both the C's are side by side, but they're not giving the same sound. See, up to one C, it is sounding like K. From the rest C, it is sounding like Sir. So answer should be 0700 for success. The next word is tsunami. You all know about tsunami, right? Okay, in this particular word tsunami, T is silent, right? So omit T, and the answer is 023. That's the answer for tsunami. Next it is schedule. I told you that two things, schedule and schedule. I'll first give a schedule. Okay. Yeah, schedule. If I take schedule, okay, 0715. If it is schedule, okay. If it is schedule, okay, 615. See, scheduler. If we take schedule, it's 615. That's also scheduler. Schedule, that's the answer, okay. The next one is situation. Again, situation. Both things are correct. See. Now, first if you take situation, okay, situation, okay, C 0, ch 6, 62, 0662. We take situation 0662. Okay, if we take situation 0162, that's the answer. So you check according to what pronunciation you have written the answer. According to these are the answers. Okay. The next word is mnemonics. Now in this mnemonics, okay, M is silent. Okay, and for the rest of the letters, the answer is 23270. That's the answer for mnemonics. 23270. And finally, we have congratulations. Okay. Now you got to be very careful with this particular word because we have all maximum T's there, and it's sounding, in a different way. Okay. Now, congratulations answer is, okay, 7276560. See, one T, it is sounding like ch. See, congratulation. See, next T is sounding like sh. One T is sounding like j. One T is sounding like sh. So based on that, you have to write the number. Okay, so that's the answer. 747. Okay, 65620. That's the answer for congratulations. Now, if you have got all the answers correct, okay, then you're almost there. You mastered this chapter of phonetics, okay, which is very, very important for your next, our PEG system, what I mean is, okay. In the next exercise, I'm going to teach you the PEG words, okay. It will be very useful there. You can really understand those PEG words very easily. So as of now, what you do is, you take words something like this, refer through a dictionary, okay, and then try to collect words which have some silent letters, and then try to convert them into numbers. After you accomplish some, you must at least work on 30 to 50 such words, okay. After you accomplish writing the answers for that, get back to me. We'll go for the next topic. Okay, now we'll see the next topic, that is PEG words. Now I'm going to show you the application of all these what you learned in the previous chapters. You learned the phonetics, you converted numerics to phonetics, phonetics to numerics. What is the use of all this? Okay, maybe that's your doubt now, right? And how can we apply it as mnemonics? Now we'll learn it in this chapter, okay? This chapter is called the PEG words. I told you the meaning of the word PEG. A nail, a wooden nail is called a PEG. These words act like nails in the brain, like supports in the brain. Okay, we're going to create some boxes in the brain. We're going to create some, for every number, we're going to create some, support in the brain. And according to that particular boxes, we can, hold the data in those particular boxes. I'm going to tell you the application later on, okay? Right now, we'll learn the PEG words. What is PEG words is? Now, I told you that the human brain cannot understand numbers as it is like numbers, because the numbers mean nothing to your right brain. For your memory, numbers mean nothing. For your left brain, okay, numbers mean something. But for your memory, all the literature and numerics mean nothing. Okay, so all your text, what I mean is, the text and numerics, they mean nothing. So the right brain only understands the language of pictures, right? So what you have to do in this particular PEG words is convert the text in the form of pictures. That's what we do in the PEG words now. Okay, so now we'll start off with the PEG words. Okay, now, so we'll take first number 1. The human brain, the right brain doesn't understand number 1 as it is like number 1. So you got to convert this number 1 into a picture and store in the mind. Now how to convert this 1 into picture? Now, you already learned the phonetic constants, right? So 1, you get T and D, 2 and 3M, okay? You know all that phonetics, okay? So we'll take 1 first, okay? Now, number 1 starts with a phonetic constant T, right? You already know about that, okay? Now, take T there. Now, adding vowels and invalid letters to this T, make this T a meaningful word. And this word should be actually in, such a way that when you decode this word into number, you must get back 1 again. See, the previous exercise what you did, converting phonetics to numerics. Same thing. If you convert this word into a number, you must get back that number only. Only 1 you must get back. So you must try to convert the word into, this phonetic T into a meaningful word, which you already know. So there are many possibilities. See, you can take a word something like T, C-T-A-T. You can take a word like toy. Okay, you can take a word like two, TO2, but TO2 doesn't mean anything to the brain. Okay, you can take a word something like taxi. You can take a word like tie. There's so many options, see. So we're going to take only, such a word which you can easily access and then store it in the mind, which you can easily understand. Okay, now as of now, I'm going to give you some peg words. You first take only these peg words. If you think that you know something better than these words, you can alter them later on. Okay, you first learn, as of now, you only learn these peg words only. And if you think that you know something better than this word, and mind you, it must fit phonetically into that particular number only. Okay, so number 1, we are taking it as tie. See, tie, what we wear, okay? Generally to the school, we wear the tie. We have seen the tie. Already in the mind, you have then that information about the tie. Okay, tie is a picture, okay? So number 1, we're gonna remember like tie, okay? Now when you decode this tie into number, see, I and D vowels, and when you decode tie into number, you got 1 back, right? See, that's it. That's the beauty of the peg words, that when you decode these peg words into number, you're gonna get the same corresponding number back. That way the system has been designed. Okay, the next letter, okay, the next number is 2, right? So number 2, what is the phonetic constant for number 2? N, okay? Okay, now adding vowels and invalid letters to N, make it a meaningful word. And the word is knee. But there's K in the knee, okay, there's a K. But K is silent. I told you the silent letters carry no value. So knee, you already know what is knee, okay, the foot part of it, the joint of the foot. Okay, okay, your, knee joint, okay, that's called, okay, that is knee. You already know what is knee, right? So knee is a picture, you can easily visualize about knee. But 2, it is nothing to your mind. But knee, you can easily form a picture, okay? So number 2, we have taken a word like knee. Okay, when you decode knee into number, you get the same corresponding number, see? You can get 2 back. Okay, number 3, the phonetic constant is M. Adding vowels and invalid letters, make it a meaningful word. And the word is ma. Ma is like your own mom. We all love our mom, right? Okay, the person whom we love the most in the world is our mom. Okay, see? Every data in the mind, bit of information in the mind, we're using to remember something new. So that's what is numeric, mnemonics all about. Remembering a new data with the existing data. So number 3, we're taking it as ma. When you decode ma into number, you get back 3, see? Again, it's 3 only. Next is 4. 4 phonetic constant is R. Adding vowels and invalid letters, we make it Rai. R-Y-E, Rai. Now what is Rai? Rai is a cereal, not the TV serials, okay. The cereals like generally the cereals, understand? Like dal, chana, okay, all these are called cereals, right? Okay, that's it. It's also a kind of cereal which is used in preparing wine and also bread also. It's also used in preparing bread. So Rai means, you can imagine like a bread, a big loaf of bread. Maybe it's a new word for you as of now, but as you practice, it will go into the mind. The word is Rai. The picture should be a big loaf of bread. Now mind you, all these words should be stored in the forms of pictures in your brain, not just like a word. You got to even form the pictures in the mind. I told you, using your imagination, you have to see all the pictures. Okay, the next number is 5. Number 5, phonetic constant is L. Okay, and adding vowels and invalid letters, we make it law. L-A-W, law. Now what is law? Now law means we get so many things. We get the court, the Nyayaki Devata, the judge, the lawyers. And who is the first part of law? whenever something happens, some theft, some theft takes place, some murder takes place, who comes first to the, scene of crime? It's the police, right? So law means the first thing what you must get is a police, a top cop, not ordinary cops, okay? Like a top with the cap, the lathi in the hand, with a pistol, okay, very well dressed cop, okay? You can imagine somebody like that, okay? So number 5, it is law. Okay, when you decode law into number C, again you get back 5. Next, number 6. So the possibilities are CH, SH, J and G soft. Now don't take J and G soft as of now, we're going to use them in the higher concepts. Right now for the peg words, only CH and SH. Okay, right now we are taking SH and we are converting SH into shoe. See, shoe, you all wear shoes, right? So shoe is a data which is already there in your mind. You know what's a shoe. And then when you decode shoe into number, you get back the same corresponding number C. 6 you are getting back. Okay. Number 6 is shoe. Okay. Number 7 starts with K. Okay. Right. 7K. And adding vowels and invalid letters make it key. You all know what is key, right? The chabi, talam. Okay. That's it. So imagine a key. Okay. But keys are small. Then what to do? I told you, the things which are small, exaggerate the size. Okay. Got to think big in sizes. Okay. So a big key in number 7. When you decode key into number, you get 7 back C. Next, number 8. Okay. 8, F and B both are important. Okay. The first preference goes to F. So we're taking F here and adding vowels and invalid letters, we are making it fee. You know what is fee? Fee is what you pay in your school. Okay. In the school, you all pay the fees. Okay. There's a fees counter. There's a window. There's a fees counter. There's a counter there. You put your hand into the counter. There'll be one sir or madam sitting in the fees counter. They'll collect the fees and give you the receipt, right? You get the same thing in your mind, the same picture, the fees counter, okay? And then that's it. Number 8, fee. Number 9 starts with B, okay? B and P, okay? So the first preference goes to B. Adding vowels and invalid letters, we're making it B only. B-E-E, B. Honeybee. Honeybees are small. Imagine gigantic size of honeybees, okay? Big size honeybees, a big swarm of honeybees like that, okay? So number 9, B. So when you decode B into number, get back 9C. Next number is 10. Okay, now 10 has 2 numbers, let's see. 1 and 0. So number 1, you get T. 0, you get S. Now mind you, in the peg words as of now, only use S only. The C soft and Z we're going to use in the higher concepts, but as of now, whenever I say 0, you have to get 0, S only in the mind. Okay? So 1 is T, 0 is S. T and S, we can form a word something like toss. See, when you decode toss into number C, you get back 10 again. Now how do you imagine toss? Now before the match, any match, you can take football, you can take cricket, or tennis, they first toss a coin, right? Okay. So you can imagine if you are like cricket, you can imagine you and Sachin, Sachin Tendulkar, standing opposite to each other, and you are tossing the coin. You get a picture something like that. That's it. Okay. Now, we have first accomplished only 10 peg words. Okay. Now, what you have to do is you got to commit all these 10 peg words to memory. Now, how to do that? Don't ever by heart it. There's a logic here how to learn these peg words. Okay. Number 1 starts with T. With T, there's only one word, that is tie. Number 2 starts with N. There's only one word with N, that is knee. 3M, ma. 4R, rai. Only one words. 5L, law. 6S is shoe. 7K is key. 8F is fee. 9B is B. 10, 1 and 0, T and S, and that is toss. Okay. It takes just a minute or 2. That's all to learn this peg words. Okay. Don't ever by heart it. What I suggest is after the peg word, close your eyes, form the pictures in your right brain. Okay. And then try to commit to memory all these 10 peg words. Okay. After you actually commit all these 10 peg words to memory, get back to me. First, pause the video here at this point. Pause the video, commit all these 10 peg words to memory. After you accomplish committing all this to memory, get back to me. I'm going to show you the application of this peg word.